Hey guys, it's MSD0704, and today I'm doing a fire alarm tour. Now I thought I'd do some fire alarm tour videos, and I'm still using my old camera. I don't have the iPad still, so the system has currently gotten replaced with a Bosch, which I really don't think really should have been done, but you know they had to. So they got a Bosch T-bar and an annunciator. There used to be an AS right there. There's a Bosch T-bar down there, and there used to be an AS above it. Yeah. Did I miss something? Oh yeah, there's an advance right over there. I don't know if you can see that. So, where? Just found a balloon that's sticking up. I don't know if you can see, there's an exit sign right over there. I think you saw the exit sign. And I'm at the frozen food section. And now I found another junction box where a Wheelock AS used to be. Now the Wheelock AS's, oh god, that's loud. The Wheelock AS's were rebranded by Radionics, like for the old system, and only 2 Wheelock AS's were kept, and I'll show you where they are in a minute. No, it was I missed something. Yeah, there's a remote strobe over there, and a PC2R right here. So, there's another remote strobe right here, and another exit sign, and another place where an AS needs to go. So, let's go and find. Oh, there's another advance. And another advance in this. You can't really go in there, but. I gotta hurry up because it's pretty late at night and I do not know how much time I got. I actually got some new rechargeables for this. They work pretty well. Another advance right over there. Yeah, I think you see it. Bye. Another exit sign right over there. Hold on, maybe I can get a close-up at it. There's the exit sign. Also, there's a AS used to go right up there. Like, wherever there's an exit sign, there's like, you know, a place where Wheelock AS used to go. And as you can see, I'm at the electronics section. And, you know what? Show you a game that I got just recently. I really want to get GTA 5, but my parents won't let me because due to the violence that's in it. They'll let me get the one next to it, Watch Dogs. I have that. Expect videos on Watch Dogs soon, like probably tomorrow or so. I'll have Watch Dogs uploaded. It's a spectralert advanced PC2R in here. Set to 15 candela, I believe. I didn't get a close look at it. There's a Tetris thing right there. Might as well give this place a check. Look. No. God damn it. Did I miss it? Yeah. Yeah, I missed it. Wanted to quickly show you guys something. If you're into LPS and is watching this video, no, it's not even here. It was here somewhere. Ah, here it is. The LPS aisle. Now, I'm looking at this LPS stuff, you know, just because while I'm here, there's some sugar sprinkles right there. Another stuff. I'm not really gonna get, because I don't want this, I'm not gonna really, I was only there for a short second because I don't want this video to be too long. Another advance right there. No, I may miss a couple of alarms and exit signs. I apologize for that because I'm getting, you know, to advance remote strobe right there. Now we're getting over to the sporting place. Baseball. Yeah, more baseball. They got a Bosch T-bar, and there's actually, if you can see it closely, there's a brake rod in there, and a Wheelock AS used to be in that box right there, and another exit sign. And not much things are here. No, look what I stumbled upon. The smoke alarms, and I could be getting some of these out over at this Walmart soon. I probably may get this too. Maybe even this, because I have a new board that I have for my residential smoke alarms, and expect them. Oh, they sell this. Awesome. And a kitty dual sensor. I think that's where the smoke chamber is right there. I might get one of these soon, and I just got one of these at the Target, which you've probably seen. I may get one of these for free soon. There's another one of the CO. And a smoke and CO combos. Ooh, they got these. I might want to get one of these soon. I just thought while I'm here, I just show, like, it's here. This is cool. I actually didn't, I only see these on eBay and probably some other places. Look at that. Anyway, I was getting off topic. Well, that was sort of similar to what I'm filming. Anyway, I don't want this video to get too long because I can't have them more than 15 minutes because YouTube won't let me upload them. Okay, I missed something. No, I didn't. So, one of this place is closed. Another exit sign there. This advance strobe. I actually thought it was a horn strobe just for 1 second. I didn't zoom in because I'm just getting, you know, trying to get this as close as I can. Oh, and that one's leaning. That advanced horn strobe's leaning. And there's an exit sign right there and the Bosch T-bar. I see the place where the spectralert and the Radionics pole used to be. They're not there anymore. Like I said, another advance. And another advance over there. And you may not see what I'm seeing because, you know, I'm trying to make this as quick as I can. So, yeah, advance there. Hold on. Advance there. Advance all the way down there. I don't know if you could see it. You probably can see it. You probably can see it. I'm not sure if you can. There's also an AS that used to go on that corner over there. You know, speaking of Wheelock AS, I should probably just go see where the two Wheelock ASs are still sitting. Yeah, and this old camera does not film it well, and there's my mom. I missed it. Yeah. How did I miss that? Sorry, my mom wanted to talk to me really quick, so let's go. Let's go, and now I will show you where the two Wheelock, and there's another exit sign right there. I'll show you where the two Wheelock ASs are still sitting. It's probably in a very strange combination that I really think is kind of strange, but kind of okay at the same time. No, I wish I could have my... I really want to get an HD camera soon. There's a line of advances right there. It's just a line going through the entire store. And what do you know? I went in circles. Like from the beginning of this video. I only got 5 minutes left. Because YouTube, you know, just gotta quickly get there. Really, where are they? Where are they? They're here somewhere. Come on, show up. Nope. There's another exit sign down there, but, you know. Oh, there they are. So, here they are. The two Wheelock ASs were branded by Radionics. These two are still standing. So, there's the original one. There's one right here. And one right beside it. Yeah, I thought this was kind of strange when I first, like, when they had their old Radionics. And they don't have the Radionics anymore, so the Bosch. Really could have thought they could have done a better job at it. So, like, they could have had like a notifier, fire warden, or one of those SFP panels. Or the Firelight MS10 UD or MS9050 UD. Could have gotten one of those Firelight panels, or the ADT, or Notifier, or Gamewell, FCI, or maybe a small Simplex panel. Because really, I just don't know if it's good again. So, okay. So, this is, I believe an AS6 to go there. Also, there's a T-bar over at the bar over there. Well, there. Over at that thing over there. So you might as well go see it. Okay. Bosch T-bar. That's one over here. I kind of forgot that was there. The place is right there. It's a very late at night. And there's a strobe right there, so yeah, this video was kind of long. So apologize if you don't like long videos, and yeah, man, I was sorry if you don't like long videos. I'm trying to make this as short as possible. Anyway, hopefully I will have some Watch Dogs tomorrow. You'll see some Watch Dogs on my channel, so I hope you enjoy. So, bye everyone, and have a nice day, or night. Alright, bye.